Ever wondered why some people have that natural, radiant glow to their skin? Well, the secret might be simpler than you think: exfoliation. Exfoliation is an essential step in any skincare routine, and for good reason. This process involves gently scrubbing the skin to remove dead skin cells, revealing healthier, smoother layers underneath. Here's a quick guide to the exfoliation process. Step 1. Select an exfoliating scrub suitable for your skin type. Step 2. Apply a generous amount of the scrub onto your fingertips. Step 3. Gently massage the scrub onto your face using circular motions. Remember, always be gentle with your skin. Harsh scrubbing can damage the delicate layers. Step 4. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and voila! You've just revealed a fresh and revitalized complexion. But the benefits of exfoliation don't stop there. This process also stimulates collagen production, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and fades scars and dark spots. Additionally, it evens out skin tone and allows skincare products to penetrate deeper, maximizing their effectiveness. So why not give exfoliation a try? Incorporate it into your skincare routine and discover the radiant glow that's been waiting to shine through. You might just find it's the game changer you've been searching for. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to improve your skin health.